Well, hello, folks. This is Shippy the Explorer coming to you from uh, College Park, and another day, another experience. And you can quickly see how much our space has changed in the household because we have to be guarding the space, the construction area away from the little kid. She's home today and running like a rabbit. So we have to be guarding around the place for that. So you can see how quickly things change in your environment or in a situation. It's amazing. So you have to just adjust. Anyway, this is another day. It's bright outside and sun is shining, and we just want to welcome you to this station and to this video of exploration and education and information. And we get into a situation where we have to pull ourselves out. So welcome. Do like, do share, do make comments, and do subscribe. This is Shippy the Explorer saying we are here to share this video with you today. So as you can see, we are getting there, and it's a multi-layer of construction, and yes, I don't know if Auntie Hannah is up, but I don't think I think the guys they're coming ready and they skimmed. And just want to show you how when you're doing drywall, it's 3 layers of 3 taping. Well, one layer of tape with the mud that would seal the joints, and then you come and put another layer of mud, and when this dries, you just barely scrape off the roughness. Run your knife against it, you can see the roughness, and then you run another layer, and then that 3rd layer normally takes care of most of the joints and the filling out and leveling up of the area. And you'll be surprised. You see how it looks. So by the time they put the 3rd layer on, you'll start to see how smooth the place looks. And he probably didn't put any on these nail holes. See, he missed that corner too. So but I don't have to go in there because this is what it looks like. So drywall it has been done in different ways in this country for a long time, and in the English method we started out with Wattle and Daub, and now it's we're using plaster of Paris and getting things done. And it has been popular in the United States for a long time, but it's just catching on in maybe in Africa and parts of the Caribbean. But it's quite a good way of finishing up your walls. When it finishes and you sand it down and dust it down and prime it and paint it, it looks as nice as ever. You can do decorative things with it. So that's drywalling. Some people, they put on the 2nd layer and then they sand. And we used to do that in the old days. We sanded down the rough areas. You can see, I don't know if you can see it, but that was a lot of work and waste of time. You just have to build up the 3 layers, and you go from there. When you reach a 3rd layer now, you can do a light sanding, and And but he needs to, and then you use a light. We use a light like this to test the depth and the levelness of the finish work. And often that light, when you turn it sideways like this, and then you can see the indentation. And that's how we normally, here you go, you can see the indentation. So we use a light and we do that. So that's drywall work for you folks. This is that's drywall work. I'll tell you how it's done. So construction continues today, and we are going from there. We are rapidly wrapping up and getting to the nitty-gritty and the finishing work of this project. And we say construction progress will show you how that works. So can't get into the room right now, so we'll just go outside and show you that it's a lovely day outside. Maybe I can wash off the steps so that the so here we are. We haven't turned off the exterior water yet because still on. So let's wash the steps off. So that if you don't wash it off, this this powder, the drywall powder, right here, will track into the house. So it's warm enough to wash. Yesterday it was, 2 days ago it was snowing, and we talked about having English weather in the area, folks, because English weather is that within 1 hour you have 3 different types of weather: hot, cold, rain, freezing sometimes, and sunshine. So that's washes off, and the hose sticks up there temporarily for now. Get it out the way so it doesn't get trapped under the wheels. Turn this off so we don't waste water. So as the temperature gets colder, all those exterior pipes are open up, and the interior, the main faucet, the main lock-off valve is locked off, and the water is turned off. The water stops, and you open up the valve so that all the water drains out. So that's what we call winterization, partial winterization of the building in this part of the world. So that's what we do. But for now it's 40 something degrees maybe. It's okay. Never fail to show you it's quiet, Not a lot of breeze in College Park. Sun is trying to peep through the clouds, and that's where we are today. But as we continue to boogie through today, we'll Shippy the Explorer will just show you highlights of our experience as we go along. So see you soon. Well, work is still going on, folks. The drywall is being cut and hung. I just finished doing the final lawn leaf removal of the place, and tomorrow is Thanksgiving and the place is looking good, nice and clean. And well, you may think it's not clean because you see leaves, but it's clean as it can be. Well, as far as I want to take it, and I show you that the path to the back is clear. Plants are looking good, and my strawberry patch is ready to bloom and thing in a couple of months. So it's strawberry patch. And if we have emergency in this country and we don't have oil or gas or fuel to cook, Shippy the Explorer is prepared with cords and cords of wood that I cut over the years. I can light a fire and cook the old country way, no problem. The backyard is all clean and dandy. So here comes, we're ready for Thanksgiving, and what can we do? We just sit down and enjoy each other's company and eat a lot of food and drink for those who can drink safely, and well, drink soft drink if you can't drink wine. But it's a day of celebration and to celebrate the end of a year, successful year. And we're not sure of what's coming on this coming year, so I encourage you to enjoy yourself and keep faith alive, and try to do your best in keeping your spirits up and taking care of yourself. So as we go through the day, we're still not finished because the guys are still working. I'll sneak in and get you highlights of what's going on. So here we go. So we have another pumpkin still not reaped yet. This is where we're gonna sneak in and see what's going on. Wow.
All right.
Sneaking to see progress.
Yeah, man, we got enough progress. So, you're gonna close that up. I get the wire here.
Yeah.
This, I can put this wire here now for this light.
Okay.
Okay. I just don't drop it in as yet.
You mean for that over there? You're
No.
gonna put it on over there?
I'm gonna put a light here, but
Yes.
he's gonna close this up. Where you want the light, here or here?
The best place to match this to get maximum lighting.
You know, it's two different lights. This
Yeah,
one
yeah, I
only
know.
for hallway.
Yeah, no, just for the hallway.
Right.
So we normally put it.
So I can put it here
Yeah.
after he gonna close this now.
Right. So you put it here then.
I put it here, you know.
Yeah. Center
Right.
it.
Okay. And so
What's that? Oh, it's not taped. Oh, the corner.
no, we're not finished yet.
Yeah. Me know.
I'm gonna put that just one switch here, so like you
Yeah.
said.
And
you need
oops.
this switch to be here. Because you're
Yeah.
in the bedroom, you don't want to go in the hallway
Right, for
to
that.
turn the light off.
For this.
One switch here for that light, one switch here for this light.
Yeah. So you're bringing that one over
That's good.
here.
Yeah. That's all. Right now it's wired in. It's the wires run.
Yep.
This here,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna take this out when I come back. I already know what it's running.
Oh, what is running?
That plug over there, like I told you.
It's running that plug?
Yeah.
No. So
I'm
all I
telling
had to
you.
do was to switch it.
Switch it on and that plug work.
Oh my gosh, you just
But now I'm
wire
gonna
it,
transfer
wire it
it
straight
back.
through. Yeah.
I'm gonna transfer the power to that to run the switch here,
Yeah.
and could I and so on. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So you won't keep a plug inside here.
That's up to you. Well, for what? You don't need it.
Suppose I make that my little office.
I doubt
Hang
it.
out.
I really doubt it because you
Yeah.
will be walking somewhere else for clothing, which you don't want to do. Let me run this
All right.
by you real quick because I gotta go and pick up Abu, right?
All right.
So right now, everything is ready here, okay?
Yeah.
I just need now, he gonna put the drywall back here, okay, and clean up.
Right.
He wanted to work tomorrow, but I told him no. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't supposed to be working at people's house.
The kids ain't gonna be here.
Yeah, so Friday I could let him come.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be here on Friday. I wanna set this personally. Either me or my brother.
Right.
Okay? This is lined up now ready. You see this hole? I just have to put this in center, cut him, and we good. If you measure it, everything is ready.
Right.
And then we cement it in and it's good. And then I put everything. This is all screwed up nicely. See? Solid like a rock.
Yeah.
Okay? This is my drain here. I leave this for this. I come back Monday. I can let him come tomorrow, Friday.
Friday and tape
Block
up,
all this out.
block up this
Block all that out.
corner beam.
The only thing I won't let him do, this wire I needed to come down into this. So I got to junction it here because it's not long enough.
Which one was this? Was it?
This was the 3 wire that running this.
Oh.
Now, I could have taken it out, but I'm gonna put the heat lamp here.
Okay.
You know, this wire gonna go in here for the heat lamp. I'm not gonna use any of these wires.
Right.
Okay? Because now I'm gonna put one wire for one light here and one here.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Yeah.
I already have your 2 wire gonna go here for 2 lights.
Yeah.
Okay? So you're pretty good.
And the wall light.
This is it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Cool.
That's it, basically. So Alex, what Mr. Morrison is saying, right? Come inside, let me show you. Like he said, instead of go to Oxonhill, okay, Friday, tomorrow, everybody for Thanksgiving, man. You can come to Friday. I don't want you to close this till when I come back, but you can cut a piece of drywall for it. Okay? The only way you could close this is if you go on top here, it's easy to put one wire here and leave one wire here. You know what I mean? If it's easy, you can, just like I did. You can see. You will. So what I need is one wire to come inside from here, right, to here, because I'm going to put one recessed light here, one recessed light here. You just have to, this wire here, you double it. One piece, put 2 pieces here. 1 piece here, come here. Then the main one from here, come over, come down through this hole. I already bored this. You can get one more wire through this. Put that wire here, come down.
The new one.
The new one. Right? And then just bore a small hole here. If you put one hole here, you can stay here, put one hole here.
So you don't need it go near the joist.
No.
It's just a
No.
reset. It
Just a recess.
yeah.
So you put one hole here, run this wire from here, go over there. Take one more wire from here, put in the center here.
Okay.
That's good. Leave it. Nothing else. Understand?
So
You
you-
can close this up today, like I said. You don't have to wait for this. Because when you go here, it's going to be easy for you to push that wire down. Understand? And then now, you can put this insulation back for you to have work to do. You could put one corner bead here, put this here, close everything off right here. And
Corner bead that too.
corner bead everything. We put in a barn door, right?
Slide door, yeah.
Right.
So you can corner bead.
This drywall, you see, you can drywall here, outside. So a lot of work here you could do on Monday, plaster, tape, not Monday, Friday if you want.
Friday, yeah.
Yeah.
So he's gonna project out the pipes for you, or you're gonna get the pipes,
I think this is good.
both of them?
This one, I think all I'm gonna do is take the screws off.
Uh-huh.
And then this will come forward. Okay? This one, I think this is good.
Yeah.
Because one more, you're not going to put this, but when I do this, after I put this. Okay? So you don't have to do nothing here. You know?
So you don't want him tape up?
This don't have to tape.
Oh,
Because one more going to go on everything here, and then we tape.
oh.
You just have to tape from here, here, corner bead, here, corner bead,
Sealing, yeah.
and sealing. You do all of that, block it off, you're good. Okay? All right, let me let him work.
All right, okay. All
That's
right,
it, man. Let me go get Abu, man.
all right.
So what about this one? It's coming up down here?
But I wouldn't even worry about it.
Oh.
Because
Okay, I can close only this part off for right now. Here.
you could do that too. Make it easy. Because you have a lot of work. You can block this off, block that off, skim downstairs a little bit more. You can put drywall here, skim it out. Lots of work here, man.
Oh,
Okay?
you have to bring the corner view, right? It's not here.
I don't know if I can. Yeah, I might drop one off tomorrow or so when I'm going over my mom. I'll drop some more corner bead, maybe some more drywall. Okay?
Yeah, you need
Good.
All right?
He's gonna have to knock it out. You need-
Yeah, he
need a-
can. He
need
know
a
what to
tool.
do, man. He know what
We
to do.
know.
He can.
Probably need your tool.
Yeah, he know what to do.
He's the expert. All right.
Hey, Alex. Even here, if I get, even here you can put drywall. You know what I'm saying? Because the only thing I need right here is one wire from here, come inside here. I need one wire. You can run one wire from here, go all the way to that plug. That must be Alex. That's that lady. I'll talk to you tomorrow, Monday, Friday, man. Okay?
Yeah.
Let me put these in
All right.
my shop. Everything looking good, Larry.
That's what's
I
up.
will talk to you
Yeah. Well,
definitely tomorrow, Monday, Tom.
cause you're not coming back here.
When today?
Yeah.
If I can.
If you come, you bring the corner bead with if you have any.
Yeah, that's what I look.
You know, it just occurred to me that Shippy the Explorer took a nap and got up and realized that there's something that is missing in the overall plan of this bathroom. We truly, just occurred to me that we need a vent, a fume vent that sucks the air, toxic or bad fumes out of a bathroom, or even to pull moisture or fumes or mist out of the bathroom if you so need. So I had to call the contractor and remind him that that needs to be done. It's a standard thing. So let me go in and see what we are missing. Oh, Let's see if we can get the lights on. So he hasn't sealed this as yet. So I think a vent can be placed in the ceiling, come up and run over to just go through the ceiling, just like how they did this. Just go through the ceiling, come up through the ceiling and do a 45 out. That push the air out. So so that's, I think that's what can be done. So yes, a vent is needed. It has to be placed in. Can't finish this work without that vent. And then he has to pull the put it on the switch. So we might have to put another switch just for the vent somewhere. So good thing I saw that. This doesn't look too good. That doesn't look too good. Anyway, this is how it will be though. Progress, construction progress. This will be the shower seat. Let's see me sit down on the shower seat. Look at that. Look at that. Obviously that will be tiled in. And the shower right here. And you just pick up your soap from this end here and whatever. And they have a rack here with soap, and then this would be the movable shower, not shower, but hose. And then the shower will be right here in the center of this mess, right under the drain. So yes, that will be a big, quite an unusual bathroom. I think it's 1, 2, my fingers are 8 inches apart. 3, 4, 5. 8, 5 is 40, so it's 42 inches. 42 inches seat. There we go. See a better shot of that. Wow. All right. So that's construction progress today on Shippy the Explorer. Tomorrow we'll be dealing with Thanksgiving, and we'll celebrate that with you and bring you highlights. If the kids come over, hopefully they're not too young that YouTube won't mind me taping the kids. But if I don't see you or send you another tape or anything like that, well, I wish you all the best for you and your family tomorrow at your get together. And if you don't have the family around, you can run over to a friend. But if not, just be kind to yourself and treat yourself to a nice meal. So, see you later. See you tomorrow. And like, share, subscribe. And as Shippy the Explorer is saying, this is bye for now on the day before Thanksgiving. Happy Turkey Day tomorrow.